Starting February 1st, Ascension Texas hospitals may no longer be in network for thousands of people who have Blue Cross Blue Shield of Texas insurance plans.
Patients receiving care at Ascension hospitals who are insured by Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Texas received a letter this week from Ascension outlining the potential impact. KVUE's Natalie Haddad joins us here in the studio with more. And Natalie, why is this happening?
Well, the long story short, Brian, is potential failure to renegotiate contracts between the two. So Blue Cross and Blue Shield is undoubtedly one of the more popular insurances across companies in Texas for employees. And Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Texas estimates 66,000 of its members in Central Texas received care at a Central Texas Ascension hospital in 2022. And that includes Del Seaton, Del Children's, Ascension hospitals in Austin, Williamson County, Bastrop, Luling, and even as far north as Waco, just to list a few. And hospital systems regularly review contracts and renew, so this is pretty normal, but this go-round has proved to be difficult. Ascension Texas Hospitals tells KVUE in part, "We are seeking to renew our Blue Cross Blue Shield of Texas agreement with reasonable and updated contract terms to help ensure its members in Central Texas can continue to access our unique combination of high-quality advanced and affordable care." But it goes on to say, without a commitment to reasonable terms, our current agreement with Blue Cross Blue Shield will end on January 31st, 2023 for insurance, commercial, and Medicare Advantage members. Now, Blue Cross and Blue Shield have been in contract negotiations with Ascension Texas hospitals in Central Texas since the fall. The insurance giant told us in a statement that it's committed to reaching an agreement, but Ascension Texas is one of the most expensive health systems in Central Texas. The statement also said, quote, "It is important to stand up for affordable care, especially in a time when most businesses and our members in the Austin and Central Texas region are facing inflationary pressures and potential recession."
So, Natalie, we're talking about obviously thousands of patients that could be impacted by this. Is there anything they can do?
Absolutely. So we reached out to an Advocate ATX, a patient advocacy group, and we asked what patients should do if both groups can't come to terms by the end of the month. And Candace Wenham tells KVUE that people should be proactive, suggesting that patients voice their concerns to Blue Cross and Blue Shield, appeal anything with Blue Cross and Blue Shield, and of course apply for continuing care. You may be able to do that and stay with Ascension Texas hospitals with Blue Cross and Blue Shield. So on KVUE.com right now, we have the full statements from Blue Cross and Blue Shield, Ascension Texas hospitals, and advice from Advocate ATX if you are a patient with this insurance at this hospital system. We also have a list of which Ascension healthcare facilities this may affect. I'll send it back to you.
All right, a lot of important information people need to know tonight. Natalie Haddad in the studio for us. Natalie, thank you.